everybody and welcome. Now grab your hooks and yarn and let's begin. For this stitch you need to chain multiple of 8 plus 7 additional chains at the end. For the example I'm going to show you today, I'm going to chain total of 31 chains. And here is my initial chain. For this stitch I'm going to use 3 colors, but you can use 1, 2, or you can include even more colors if you like that. Now let's start with row 1. We're going to start from the 5th chain from the hook and we're going to work with double crochets. So yarn over and find the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go in there and make the first double crochet, and we need a total of 3 double crochets, so make 2 more in the next chains. Like this. Then chain 4, skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th chain again. We're going to start with double crochets. This time we're going to make 4 double crochets. We have 2, 3, and 4. Then chain 4 again, skip the next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 5th chain, make the first double crochet of the group and then make 3 more. And when you reach the end of the row, make 4 double crochets in the last 4 chains. Three and 1 more into the last chain, 4. This is how it's looking. This is row 1. Now before we start row 2, I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to finish the last double crochet with the new color. We're going to use this blue. And from here you have to chain 5. And turn. Now we're going to work into these chains we skipped the previous row. Yarn over, because we're going to make double crochets. Yarn over, go into the first chain, take the yarn from behind, pull up a loop and make the first double crochet. Go around this chain also, don't exclude it. Yarn over, go into the next chain, take the yarn from behind, pull up a loop and make the next double crochet. Yarn over, go into the next chain, take the yarn, pull up a loop, the third double crochet, and we have a chain left. Go into it and make the 4th double crochet. From here chain 4. We are skipping this part here with the double crochets and moving on to the next chains to make another double crochets. yarn over, go into the first chain, take the yarn, pull up a loop and make the double crochet, and continue with the same steps in the next in the remaining 2 loops. And when you reach the end of the row, chain 5 and make 1 single crochet in the chain at the end of the row. Here are the 3 stitches. Make the single crochet into this chain right here. And this is how it's looking so far. Now for row 3 I'm going to change again the color to make it more fun. The same way I'm going to use the new color so I can finish the single crochet, and from here chain 3 and turn. We're going to work into these stitches. Here we have 3 stitches, 3 empty stitches, so we're going to make double crochets in them. Yarn over, go into the first stitch, don't forget to include the chain above, and here is the first double crochet, then into the next stitch, the second double crochet, and we have 1 more left here, 3 double crochets, chain 4, skip these stitches here and move on to the next part. Again we're going to make double crochets here, but there will be 4 double crochets because we have 4 stitches. Go into the first stitch and make the first double crochet, then into the next one, into the third, and 1 more into the last stitch. And from here repeat the steps, chain 4, then go into the next chain space to make 4 double crochets, then again chain 4 and move on to the next chain space. And when you reach the end of the row, in the last stitches here, make again 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and the 4th is here in the very last stitch, 4. And from now you have to repeat the steps in row 2, then row 3, row 2, row 3, and of course to change the colors. So here, to show you very quickly how to continue, I'm going to bring from below the white, and I'm going to finish the last double crochet with the white yarn, okay, like this. Maybe it will be better when you work this stitch to cut the yarn, hide the end, and then start with a new strand of yarn, so you don't have this showing here at the end. But yeah, that's up to you. So from here we start again a row 2, chain 5, 5, turn. We're skipping this part here with the double crochets, and we're going to work into these stitches here with double crochets. Don't forget to include also this chain above. So here are our stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting in the first stitch, 1 double crochet, in the second, one double crochet, one double crochet, and into the last stitch one double crochet, chain 4, then move on to the next stitches. And this is the stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.